today I am going to show you how to read the value from the console using a C program and calculate the simple interest. So in the previous video I have shown you how to set up a Eclipse for your C program. So now once you set up, you can create a project, right? Go to file and say new, a C or C++ project. So you can set up a C project, then go to the source folder, right click here and say new, you can say a source file. Okay, so type the name of the file, for example lab1_1.c. okay, so inside the source folder my file is going to create. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my file which is created by me, right? And here I am going to include the header files. So to include the header files, you have to type #include and then stdio.h. So as I told you in the first lecture, stdio.h is a header file which contains all the declarations of the built-in functions that you are going to use in your program. Then you are going to say #include, and then if you have a standard library you can just include it. Yes, then you can say int main, the standard, and then here I am going to declare the variables. So I am going to say here int, no, I need a principal amount, number of years and rate of interest. All these are the float values, so I am going to use a data type that is float. So I am going to principal amount, number of years and rate of interest. Of course I am going to accept it from users, no worries right now. I want to print a message on the console that user is going to enter some data, but there is a little bug in the Eclipse. The bug is like if you are going to print a message and you are accepting a value, the accepting value will be done first and printing a message will be done later. Okay, so just to get up with that, we have something called as a set vbuffer. Okay, and I just have to copy this set vbuffer and I have to paste it here, and here I can write a message like printf, and then I can write a message like enter values of p n r. Okay, then I am going to scan, I am going to say scanf, right? Then %f address of p. Okay, then now I want to so p is capital. Okay, so I want to scan the value for %f and address of n. Now I want to scan the value for again scanf. I want to scan the value for %f and then address of r. Okay, once you are done, right, with this accepting values, you can type a simple interest formula. So you can type here float simple interest. Okay, then you can type here values of, and then you can type here simple interest equal to, in the bracket, p into n into r and divided by 100.0. so as it is 100.0, it's a float value, so I can append with f. Okay, and then I can print a message again, printf /n simple interest equal to %f and simple interest. Once you are done with this, right, So once you're done with the typing, I can just go to window and then editor, sorry, I will need the preferences, and then general, and then appearance, and then fonts. So basic fonts, or you can just type CC++ fonts, edit. The text font I am just going to increase so that it will be more visible to you guys. So I'm just going to increase the font. I'm going to say apply, and then I'm going to say apply and close. Yes. So as you can see here, I have just increased the font. Okay. Now, so I have to go to project, and then I have to say build all. As you can see, 0 error, 0 warning. Then go to run, and then say run as local CC++ application. So it is going to ask me for the values, so I'm just going to enter the values like 123.123 for principal amount. Then I'm going to enter number of years like 2.5 years, and rate of interest is 8.0. So I'm getting the result. Yes. So this is how I can get the result with the accepting values, and yeah, printing the calculating accepting values and calculating the interest and printing the result. Thank you very much guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.